Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the perfume brand. Is called Perfume Edit, and this brand is from there's a shop in United Kingdom. They sell perfumes. Their main business is perfumes, and they called the Perfume Shop, as simple as that. And this Perfume Edit range, or Perfume Edit brand, is their own brand of perfume. They have around 5 or 6, maybe even a little bit more in this range, and they are very affordable. And I had one or two, at least 2 of this line before I unboxed and reviewed, and they were very good, especially for a price. They usually go around £25 or under. Sometimes you can find them on sale, discounted, even better. So when I saw this one, which is a new release from them, it was released at the end of 2023, and this one is called Oud Spice 100 ml Eau de Perfume. The box is very nice, especially for the price, under £25. Very nice box, very good attention to detail. At the back it's got this description, and at the bottom it has all these blah blah blah, and overall it's quite a simple packaging, but I like it. As always, give me the simplest packaging but give me a best juice, and I love it. Give me the best of packaging and the presentation, but you don't give me a good juice, it's a waste of time, waste of money, waste of effort. Okay, so it's quite clear bottle, and it's a simple presentation, basic, minimalistic, and I like it. It says Oud Spice at the back. Says the Perfume Edit. It's got a sticker at the bottom. It says Eau de Perfume, and it's 100 ml, and with the blah blah blah. The cap is very simple, and wow, it's quite heavy actually, but yeah, it's a combination of plastic and metal, and it's quite weighty, and the atomizer is modern. And here we go. Not a bad atomizer, but it's not great either. It goes psh, psh, psh. It doesn't go psh. So it's one of the good ones, but not great. It does the job perfectly. Okay, so I put 3 sprays of it, and presentation for a price, yes, very good, very minimalistic, very simple, but I like it very much. And let's see how is this smell. Here we go. First impression for Oud Spice. By the way, this line is unisex. It's not targeted for any sex, men or women can buy it. And Oud Spice, as it says the name, let's smell it and see how it goes. Yep. So this is Oud and Spices. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye. Yes, it is very descriptive name. So this is the Perfume Edit Oud and Spice. It came out just a few weeks ago, and first impression, very impressive, especially for a price under £25. The smell is very good. Holy moly, it's very spicy. So you need to like your spices, especially warm spices, and a massive amber in here. The amber is deep, dense, resinous, is thick, is in your face, and is a sweet one as well, but it's not overly sweet. From 0 to 10 being the sweetest. At the moment, for its first impression, is around 7. So it's just quite sweet, but not overly sweet. But the main player, as he's mentioning in the name, Oud and Spice are the biggest player here. The Oud at the moment is in the background. I can smell it a little bit, but it's not big, which is understandable. This is first impression. But it is very warm, and it's very spicy, and it's very woody, and it's very captivating. Holy moly. All right, so it's got saffron. I can smell a massive saffron in here. I can smell cinnamon definitely, and as I said, the massive amber in here. Vanilla, definitely big vanilla in here, giving that sweetness and the warmth in the base. For the price, it's a no-brainer. Very well done, very balanced, very good quality for the price, and its balance is, you know, nothing out of place. And also it didn't open with harshness, chemical, alcohol, nothing like that. Straight to the perfume, which is telltale sign of good perfumery and a good ingredients in here. So I can smell something like a sandalwood, giving it that beautiful woody smoothness, and the sandalwood is quite big in here. Again, the wood is in the background at the moment. I can't smell that much of it, but I can feel it. Definitely massive on the spice. So I smell saffron, I smell cinnamon, I smell clove, and probably there is some what's his name, cardamom in here as well, because that sexiness in there, somehow they made it very sexy and very warm in the middle. There is a musky feel to it, but not much, so just a hint of muskiness as well. But overall it's quite safe. It's not animalic, it's not challenging, it's not funky or anything like that. It's very safe, almost universal, although you need to like your spices, and you need to like your warm spices, and you need to like massive amber, plus those woody aspect in the background, plus the spices, spice. But at the moment it's all about spice. Surprisingly, I can't smell any florals in here, which is very surprising, because usually with oud fragrances and oud spicy fragrance, usually to soften it up they add some florals in the mid, just to give it a balance. But at the moment I can't smell any florals, even if there is, but they are very minimalistic and very minimal. But I can smell something rooty and earthy, so most likely to be telltale sign of patchouli, because it's giving a little of that chocolatey and a little of caramelly feel as well. So overall, again, for a first impression, very well done. Smells very good, smells very inviting, very sensual, smells very captivating. It's woody, it's ambery, it's spicy, it's warm, it's sweet, is everything you want in a woody spicy fragrance. And in here at the moment I can't smell that much oud though, because it says oud and spices. I'm waiting for that oud to come up, but maybe later on it will develop and it will come up. For the first impression, yes, I'm loving it. The only thing is, this is for a mature nose, so you need to like your mature fragrances, you need to like your complex fragrances, because this is quite complex, quite layered, it's quite deep, and it's quite resinous and ambery and thick. Little bit of caramelly, sugary feel to it as well. Little bit of caramel, chocolates, maybe even a little bit of coffee. Not much, just a hint of it, just at the moment. But again, it could develop. So in the next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity, and good things like that. But for the first impression, at the moment it's feeling the room, feeling the house, so it looks like it's going to be a strong one as well. But for the first impression, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. I'm loving it. It's up my alley. I'm a Middle Eastern man, I'm a middle-aged man, and this is a kind of fragrance I love myself. So the sweetness is quite on the balanced side, it's not overly sweet. Everything is done in a good balance. Okay, so overall it's very impressive, especially for under £25. Smells much more expensive, smells at least £70-80 plus. So well done, people who did this perfume. Well done for making such an affordable fragrance for such a good smell and a good quality, especially for a price. Okay, Alright guys, so if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they are hidden gems, and they smell great. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfume just for you lucky guys in United Kingdom. Nobody else can buy it from me anywhere in the world because the post, unfortunately, doesn't allow to post it outside the UK, and it's a big headache and a big heartache for me. So if you are a lucky one in the United Kingdom and you're curious and you want to support this channel and you want to support me as an artist, as a perfumer, and you want to get something very beautiful in return, you can purchase one of my perfumes. The ingredients is one of the best ingredients in the world, if not one of the best, if not the best, because it's come from Iran, Persia, and we are well known to be making perfumes for more than 5,000 years. So that gives you some idea how good they are. And the perfumes I'm making, the formulation all come from my country as well. So they are very mysterious, very historic, very unique, very unusual, very artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase, so I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.